Hey tech fans, welcome back to Reviews Realm. Today we're diving into the 5 best miter saws 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have gadgets you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Makita LS1019L Dual Bevel Sliding. The Makita LS1019L is a versatile dual bevel sliding compound miter saw that excels in both precision and power. With its 10-inch blade, it provides a perfect balance between cutting capacity and maneuverability, making it a solid choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. The standout feature of this saw is its innovative rail-forward design, which allows it to be placed closer to the wall, saving valuable workspace in tight workshops. It offers impressive cross-cutting capabilities, managing up to 12 inches at 90 degrees, and can bevel both left and right from 0 to 48 degrees, offering a wide range of cutting angles for complex cuts. The built-in laser guide is another highlight, helping ensure accuracy by projecting a clear line on the workpiece. The saw is powered by a 15-amp motor that delivers smooth, precise cuts without bogging down, even on tougher materials like hardwood. One of the key advantages is its soft start feature, which reduces the initial jolt and ensures better control. The LS1019L also comes equipped with a dust collection system that captures a significant amount of sawdust, contributing to a cleaner workspace, though it could still be improved for capturing finer dust particles. Overall, the Makita LS1019L offers an excellent combination of power, precision, and convenience, making it a top contender in its class. The saw is well built, with a robust yet compact design, and its ergonomic handles make it easy to transport despite its solid construction. However, it's on the pricier side, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a reliable miter saw that delivers professional-grade results, the LS1019L is definitely worth the investment. Number 4, DeWalt Double Bevel Miter Saw. The DeWalt Double Bevel Miter Saw, specifically models like the DWS 779 or DWS 780, are well regarded in the world of woodworking for their durability, precision, and ease of use. These saws feature a powerful 15-amp motor that provides plenty of cutting power, making them capable of handling a wide variety of materials, from softwoods to dense hardwoods. The standout feature of these saws is their double bevel capability, allowing you to bevel in both directions, left and right, up to 49 degrees. This dual bevel function saves time and effort by eliminating the need to flip your workpiece for bevel cuts, which is especially useful for complex crown molding and trim work. The DeWalt miter saws also come equipped with a stainless steel miter detent plate that has multiple positive stops, ensuring repeatable and precise cuts. Their sliding fence system supports large pieces of material, making it easy to achieve accurate crosscuts up to 12 inches at 90 degrees. The DWS 780 model, in particular, features an XPS crosscut positioning system, which uses an LED light to cast a shadow on the cutting line, providing enhanced accuracy without the need for adjustments like traditional lasers. Additionally, the saw's dust collection system captures over 75% of dust generated, keeping your workspace cleaner, although it may require a better external vacuum setup for heavy use. In terms of build quality, DeWalt's miter saws are known for their sturdy construction and ergonomic design, making them both durable and comfortable to operate. These saws are easy to adjust and feature large, easy-to-read bevel and miter scales. While the saws are a bit heavy, their robust build contributes to their stability and longevity, making them ideal for both professionals and serious hobbyists. Overall, the DeWalt Double Bevel Miter saws are a reliable investment, offering impressive cutting power, precision, and versatility for a wide range of woodworking projects. Number 3, Bosch Dual Bevel Glide. The Bosch Dual Bevel Glide Miter Saw, notably the Bosch GCM 12SD model, is celebrated for its innovative axial glide system, which sets it apart from traditional sliding miter saws. Instead of using rails, Bosch's patented glide mechanism uses articulating arms, allowing for an exceptionally smooth and controlled cut. This design not only enhances precision but also saves up to 12 inches of workspace by allowing the saw to sit flush against a wall, making it an excellent choice for smaller workshops or tight job sites. The 12-inch blade provides substantial cutting capacity, capable of handling crosscuts up to 14 inches wide and 6.5 inches thick, making it ideal for larger pieces of lumber, crown molding, and trim work. The saw offers dual bevel capability, tilting both left and right up to 47 degrees, with bevel detents at common angles, 0 degrees, 33.9 degrees, 45 degrees, 4 quick adjustments. The miter range is equally impressive, allowing for cuts from 0 degrees to 60 degrees to the right and 0 degrees to 52 degrees to the left. This versatility, combined with a large, easy-to-read bevel and miter scale, makes the Bosch Glide Saw a go-to tool for precise and complex cuts. The integrated, easy-to-use upfront controls eliminate the need to reach behind the saw for adjustments, adding to the convenience and user-friendly design. Additionally, the Bosch GCM12SD boasts a reliable 15-amp motor, ensuring consistent power for smooth and accurate cuts, even through tough materials. The saw's dust collection system is quite efficient, capturing a significant portion of the sawdust generated, although attaching it to a vacuum can improve its performance. Its ergonomic soft grip handle and clear lower guard provide enhanced visibility and comfort during use. While the saw is on the heavier side, its robust build quality combined with the unmatched precision of the axial glide system makes it a durable and high-performing choice for both professional contractors and serious woodworkers. Overall, if you're seeking a premium miter saw with exceptional accuracy and space-saving design, the Bosch Dual Bevel Glide is a top-tier option worth considering. Number 2. Metabo HPTC10 FCGs. The Metabo HPTC10 FCGs, formerly known as Hitachi, is a compact and budget-friendly 10-inch compound miter saw designed for both DIY enthusiasts and light-duty professional work. With a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 5,000 RPM, this saw offers impressive cutting speed and efficiency for its class. It's perfect for tasks like cutting baseboards, trim, and framing lumber. The lightweight design, weighing only 24.2 pounds, makes it highly portable, so it's easy to carry around the job site or your home workshop, a feature not often found in other miter saws in this price range. One of the standout features of the C10 FCGs is its 0 degrees to 52 degrees miter range to the left and right, providing flexibility for a variety of cuts. The saw also bevels to the left up to 45 degrees, allowing for bevel cuts and more complex angles. While it doesn't have dual bevel capability, it makes up for it with its ease of use and straightforward operation, making it ideal for beginners or those who don't need advanced features. The saw comes equipped with a large, easy-to-read miter scale and thumb-actuated positive stops for quick and accurate adjustments. However, the Metabo HPTC10 FCGs does have some limitations. The saw lacks a laser guide, which may require users to be extra diligent in aligning their cuts, and its dust collection system is minimal, often requiring an external vacuum for better dust management. Additionally, the build quality, while sturdy enough for light to medium-duty tasks, may not withstand heavy, continuous use like more expensive, professional-grade models. That said, for its affordable price point, this miter saw offers solid performance and reliability, making it a great entry-level option for hobbyists and DIYers looking for a cost-effective yet efficient tool for home improvement projects. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max. The DeWalt 20V Max lineup is one of the most popular and versatile cordless power tool series on the market, designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This series runs on a powerful 20V lithium-ion battery platform, offering impressive performance, longer run times, and quick recharge capabilities. Whether you're using a drill, impact driver, circular saw, or miter saw from this range, the 20V Max tools are known for delivering consistent power and efficiency, making them ideal for a wide range of applications, from construction to home improvement projects. One of the standout features of the DeWalt 20V Max series is its brushless motor technology, which enhances efficiency, extends the lifespan of the tools, and provides more power compared to brushed motor versions. This technology helps to maximize battery life, allowing users to get more work done on a single charge. The tools are also designed with user comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic grips, lightweight builds, and compact designs that reduce user fatigue, especially during prolonged use. Additionally, many tools in this lineup come with built-in LED work lights, providing better visibility in low-light conditions, which is a useful feature when working in tight or dimly lit spaces. Another key advantage of the DeWalt 20V Max system is its interchangeable battery platform, which means you can use the same batteries across a wide variety of tools, from drills and saws to sanders and blowers. This not only saves money but also reduces clutter in your tool storage area. The batteries come in different capacities, ranging from 1.5 Ah to 12 Ah, offering flexibility depending on the power and runtime needs of your projects. The series also features fast chargers, which can recharge the batteries in as little as 30 minutes, minimizing downtime. Overall, the DeWalt 20V Max series is a reliable, powerful, and versatile cordless tool lineup that's perfect for both professional contractors and DIYers looking for high-quality tools. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty construction tasks or simple home repairs, these tools provide the performance and convenience needed to get the job done efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.